Hey crypto fam, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question that pops up a lot for new Kraken users. Does Kraken require your SSN, your social security number? Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back. Understanding why platforms ask for your SSN in the first place is key. In the wild world of finance, it all boils down to something called Know Your Customer, KYC, regulations. These are rules set by governments to prevent money laundering and terrorist financing. Basically, they want to make sure you are who you say you are, and that your money is coming from legit sources. So, KYC often involves providing some form of identification, like a passport or driver's license. But here's the thing, KYC requirements can vary depending on the platform and your location. That's where Kraken comes in. Cracking the Kraken KYC code. Alright, let's address the elephant in the room. Does Kraken require your SSN? The short answer is no, not necessarily. Kraken operates globally, and KYC requirements can differ based on where you're located. In most cases, Kraken will ask for two things to verify your identity. Photo ID, this could be your passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Basically, something government issued that proves you are who you say you be. Proof of residence, think utility bills, bank statements, anything with your name and address to show you're not some shady character operating out of a basement somewhere. Now, here's where things get interesting. There might be situations where Kraken asks for your SSN. But don't worry, it's not the norm. Here are a couple of scenarios. High account limits. If you're a high roller, moving serious amounts of crypto, Kraken might request additional verification. In these cases, your SSN could be part of the process. Regulation rumble. Remember, KYC rules can change depending on your location. If there are stricter regulations in your area, Kraken might need your SSN to comply. But don't fret. If this applies to you, Kraken will clearly communicate what documents they need during the verification process. They won't spring it on you out of the blue. Keeping it secure on Kraken. So, there you have it. In most cases, you won't need to provide your SSN to use Kraken. But hey, even if you do, Kraken is a reputable platform known for its security measures. They take user privacy seriously and implement things like two-factor authentication to keep your information safe. Here's a quick tip. No matter the platform, never share your SSN or any other sensitive information unless you're absolutely certain it's the official website. Double-check those URLs, folks. Phishing scams are real, so stay vigilant. Wrapping up. Alright, crypto enthusiasts, that's all we have for today on the SSN saga with Kraken. Remember, KYC is crucial for keeping the crypto world safe and secure. But it doesn't always involve your SSN. Kraken will guide you through the verification process so you know exactly what they need. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, stay safe in the cryptoverse.